This has been a test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm Tone and Emergency Alert System. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specifically built receivers are automatically activated by these warning tones to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers and the warning alarm tones are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. Once again, this has been the test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm Tone and Emergency Alert System.
Are you happy now?
The forecast for the Santa Catalina and Rincon Mountains, including some rain, featured at Tucson.